Okay guys, trying to make it a little bit more just friendly, I should say. So what I've done, I'm going to box this area in. I've just cut and measured, put that piece in there, like so. So you see that right now, right, nice snug fit. I've also just measured it. Okay guys, I ended up cutting that out totally. That knob there, but like, and as I say, this is only it's only a rough job. I mean, it's only, at the end of the day, it's only to see if it works, and it's for the workshop. If it works out, I might do a better, tidier job at a later date. But that's all it is for now. Then what I'm going to do is seal off that side. I'm going to put like a bit of a cloth or just cover over there so that it can still move, or it keeps the dust in there. And we'll see from there. You want to chew there, man? There we go. Do this instead. Okay guys, what I did is I cut that piece to there, to length like that, and I cut that little piece just to cover that section there. So I'll go on, just like that. So all that side and this bit here now is all sealed. So that's basically the back done, apart from putting a little bit of a cover on there. Okay, you can see what it looks like from the front. Put the two sides in. Cut a little notch out there for the leg and the size. Slots up under that lid, slides in there. And what I'll do is I'll put a couple of brad nails into the side there. And I'll sort that little bit out. I'm going to put a little piece across the top there. And probably a little piece down there to box that in. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet, I might just leave that open, we'll see. But in the meantime, let's put a few brad nails in here, eh? Now. Okay guys, as you can see, I've also put a piece on the bottom there. Put that piece on the bottom there. A couple of brad nails through there and through the front there. At the moment I'm going to leave that, mainly because I don't want it to interfere with the stop button. But if necessary, if I get a lot of dust coming out of there, what I'll do is I'll put a piece in further back there so that it's not interfering with that. In fact, I might do that anyway yet, I haven't decided. But there we go, it's getting to the point where no dust can come out of it. In case you wonder now, I'm going to get dust out of there. There has actually got a hole in the bottom, and let me just get this for you. Wait 1 second. As you can see, so it has got a dust extract, a big hole in the bottom there. That's the neighbour going out on his golf cart.